In the quiet corners of Nepal's wetlands, as the sun dips beneath the hills, a new rhythm awakens. The trees breathe with life, the water waits, and the skies are never still. Birds like the common coot and crested grebe tend their feathers, each stroke a quiet act of survival. Before the hunt begins and wings take to the air, there is calm. A preening bathes in golden light, balanced delicately on a leaf. And the ruddy shelduck drifts, unbothered by time, across a mirror of stillness. The stillness hides a sharpened focus. Predators wait in plain sight, motionless, until the perfect moment. Pond herons gulp fish whole. Kingfishers, silent and still, launch like arrows toward the water. And the openbill moves through shallow currents, beak perfectly shaped for the task at hand. Even in pairs like the grebe and cormorant, there is unspoken coordination. Above the earth, tension hangs on every wingbeat. A steppe eagle, king of the field, is mobbed by clever crows. Flight is freedom, but also contest. The heron forces the ibis to yield its perch. Every shadow across the water writes a different story. High above, quiet observers gather. Some wait for dusk, some wait for prey. The woods, the wires, the water's edge, all become thrones for watchful birds. Their gaze holds centuries. But not all moments are of survival or conflict. Some are of creation. With rhythmic taps, the lineated barbets dig a home, a promise to the future, chiseled into bark. From still ponds to open skies, these birds share the landscape with us. Each gesture a lesson, each call a reminder. This is their world. Let us learn to see it. Let us learn to protect it.